Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can use Adobe Scan. So firstly, you can go to the Play Store. Okay? In the Play Store, in the search button, you have to type Adobe Scan. Adobe Adobe Scan. SCAN Scan. Then press on the search button. Then you will find that there will be Adobe Scan PDF Scanner. Then you can install this application. Within 5 minutes it will be downloaded, so wait for download. After downloading, this Adobe Scan PDF Scan will be installing within 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, after that you can open the app. Okay, then this interface will be come to in your mobile. Then here you can find three options: sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple. Okay, so you have to sign in for this Adobe Scan. You must have a Google account, or if you have not a Google account, then you can press on sign in with Facebook. So I have a Google account, or you can say the Gmail, so I will click on the sign in with Google. After few seconds you can find that this interface will become. I have three accounts, so I will click on one account, that Madabra. Okay, then this Adobe Scan will be open within 1 minute. Okay, it will be working, but you must always remember that it needs internet connection. So here you can find that let's go. Your scans will be saved to Adobe document cloud. Okay, your documents will be not storage in your phone, your documents will be storage in cloud. To get started, please provide permission to access your camera. So for Adobe Scan we have always give the permission to access your camera. Okay, let's go. So allow Adobe Scan to take photos and record videos. So you will put the tab button on the allow button. Okay, now your Adobe Scan is ready. So when it is open, you will just hold this one, then click on the middle button. Okay, after clicking on the middle button, you will find that this interface will become. I have taking a photo of this, the access that made trees blue. Okay, here you can, what you will do, you can crop the photo if you want. Okay, so I do not want to crop, I just only crop the sidebars only, so and the top. So after that I will click on the continue button. Okay, so here after clicking the photo, then you will see that this is automatically capturing the photo. Just you have to hold steadily, then you will take the photo. After taking the photo, you can crop it the photo if you want. Okay, then this will be happen. After that, continue button. Okay, after taking the photo, or you can scanning the photo, you will directly go to this sidebar. Then you will find Adobe Scan August 21st 2020. Then these two pages I have take. So you can this see the photos is not supposed to be very clear, so you can go directly the color button or other tools you have also find in the button. Okay, there are lots of buttons. There's border, crop, rotate, color, cleanup, resize, delete. So you can directly go to the original size, then the original size or the original color will be appear here. In the next page also you can directly click on the original color. Okay, then original color, after loading this photo, then you can see the original color will be appear, or you can see the original worksheet photo will be appear. Then you can directly save the PDF. Okay, press the PDF button. then it will be saving as PDF. Okay, within 1 minute it will be saved as PDF. Then this interface will become. Okay, so if you want to see what type of PDF I will make, then you will click on the preview button, then you will see the PDF type. Okay, then after that, how you will share this photo to your friends or to the teachers. Okay, then you will directly click on the share button. Before clicking on the share button, you have to see that this option, uploading to document cloud. After completing this process, you can go to the share button. Okay, now my document is uploading in the cloud, but it is not finished, so I am waiting for it. Okay, okay, after that you will see the option will become recognizing text. Okay, if this process will be finished, then your text or your PDF will be uploaded in the cloud format. Okay, then after completing the uploading process, you will find that comment button, or you can say the comment option will become here. What will be found in the more option, we can see that copy to device. Okay, you can copy this PDF in your device, copy to Google Drive, then modify, scan, rename, print, delete. Okay, so here our name is Adobe Scan August 21st 2020. Okay, only the name is Adobe Scan August 21st 2020. Suppose you have to send this PDF to your teacher, so how will send? You does not want to send in this name, so you can click on the more button, then you will press on the rename option, and you will see that Adobe Scan August 21st 2020. So you can click on this cancel button, then type, suppose this is the class 6 PDF file, class 6 lesson. Okay, then you will click on the OK button, then your name will be changed within a second. Okay, so you can see that just now we have changed the name class 6 lesson. Then how you will send this PDF to your teacher? So you can directly click on the share option, then you will find that share link. If you click on the share link, that the link only send to your teacher or the friend's Gmail account, or you can say in the WhatsApp. So if you send a PDF file, so you will directly click on the share a copy, then share a copy, then you will find that share scan via how you can send that PDF format. So you can directly click on the WhatsApp, which WhatsApp you want to share. I have two WhatsApp, so in this first WhatsApp I do not want to send, or I have no groups in this WhatsApp, so I have the groups in the second WhatsApp, so I directly click on the second WhatsApp. Then you have find that VKB Amliang class 5, the VKB Amliang class 3, then sir VKB new, whose persons or which group you want to share that PDF, so you can directly click on that person's WhatsApp number. Okay, I want to send this PDF to Prasanna sir, so I will directly click on Prasanna sir's account, then you can press on this button, then a PDF format, or you can say the scanning copy of that file will be sent to Prasanna sir's WhatsApp number. Okay, it will be uploading. Okay, so the size of this file is 1.5 MB, so we have to wait for it. So wait for few seconds. My network is very slow, so uploading program is still be arising little bit. Okay, wait for it. Wait. Okay, wait for it. Okay, now you can see, you see that this PDF file will be sent to the teacher, who is I want to send. So after that you will directly close that application, then you will directly go to the Adobe Scan, then it will be open again. So you can, if you want to share the another PDF to the another teacher, then you will go directly to this app and open and do the same thing that I have already done. So thank you. Hope this video will have lots of problems and supposed to be in the background noises, so sorry for it, but hope you this video will help you to how to make PDF and how you have to send the PDF format or PDF answer sheet to your teacher. Thank you.